Hi friends, today's video is about electric rice cooker. Nowadays we are using this rice cooker in almost every house. Now I am going to explain its power circuit in this video. Let's see the rice cooker once. Here there will be a cook mode, a warm mode and a button to press cook or warm option. Also we have a power cable to supply single phase power to the rice cooker. When we switch on the single phase supply, the circuit will be closed through cook coil, warm coil and return to the neutral. But as soon as we switch on cook mode, the circuit will be closed through the cook coil and to the switch and to the neutral point. This is cook indication. This is warm indication. I have just switched on the power. Here warm indication is glowing and now I am pressing it. The cook indication is glowing. I am releasing and again the warm indication is glowing. Let us see how this will happen in the circuit. This is the cook indication and this is the warm up indication. The cook indication will glow only when full voltage is applied across its terminals. The warm up indication will glow when full voltage is applied across its terminals. When we switch on the power, the warm up bulb will be glown. Let us see how this will happen. For this we need to know the resistance of the cook coil and the resistance of the warm up coil. The cook coil resistance will depend on the wattage of the rice cooker and also the warm up coil resistance will also be indicated inside the rice cooker. Let us say this is a 700 watts rice cooker. The applied voltage will be 230 volts. We know that R equal to V square by B. From this we can calculate the resistance of the cook coil. This is the 700 watts. This is 40 watts. Its resistance will be 75 ohms. Its resistance will be around 1322 ohms. This is 75 ohms. This is 1322 ohms. From this we can calculate the current. 230 by whole resistance. It will be around 0.16 amps. So the applied voltage here will be 12 volts. The applied voltage here will be 211 volts. So the warm up indication will glow here. At the same time, the heat produced will be directly proportional to the square of the current. Here the current is nearly 0.1 amps. So heat will not be produced inside the cook coil and very low heat will be produced in the warm up coil. When we press cook mode, here this resistance will be cut off. The circuit will be closed through this path. Here the resistance is 75.51 ohms. The voltage is 230. From this the current is around 3 amps. 3 amps current will be flowing through the cook coil. Full voltage will be applied across its two terminals. The cook indication will glow and heat will be produced inside the cook coil. When heat is produced inside the cook coil, there will be a thermistor which senses the temperature inside the rice cooker. When its temperature reaches 135 degrees centigrade, the thermistor will trips the switch in auto mode. During that condition, the total resistance will be applied, thereby giving the supply, thereby energizing the warm up coil and warm up indication will be glown. This is how the rice cooker will work. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and also like and share my videos. Thank you.